Hello, everyone. This is Jack Wu, your host for Success Edge. I just finished a major meeting in Phoenix, Arizona, the past few days here. Very successful one. As I'm traveling around the country this year and expanding our company and opportunity to different major cities in the United States, it really gives me a lot of time to do a lot of soul searching, okay? And that's a good thing to do from time to time. One of the most common questions that people often asking me is, what made you to be who you are today? What made you to be successful in this industry? What are some of your secrets? And that's the questions that people usually ask me. And I remember my first convention meeting that I attended 20 years ago when I first joined this industry. I was, staying at a very small room in I believe it was in Succes in Las Vegas. Money was very tight back then. I was trying to learn this industry. I was sharing a room. I shared a room with, I think, about 6 to 7 guys in one room. That's how I got started this business. And half of those guys were snoring. It was quite funny back then. And never want to really miss those moments, because those moments, those tough times, are the stuff that made me to be stronger every single day, And today I have the luxury to be in first class when I'm flying, staying at a sky loft suite like this one here, just experiencing a lot of success in lifestyle in many different arenas, areas. But one thing that kind of reminded myself was what got me here, and I want to answer that today. People ask me, what are your secrets? And today I want to give you 3 secrets, real secrets, at least for me, who have made me to be who I am today. Okay, the first one, for me was, I found one good opportunity that fits me. Opportunity can fit one person, might not fit another person. One opportunity fits one, might not fit other, okay? For me, it was very simple, but was so true. I found one opportunity, one concept, an industry that I can be excited about. And after I found an opportunity, I no longer was searching. I was just simply working very hard and diligently in that opportunity and learning that industry, surrounded myself with the right mentors, and slowly but surely I was, moving onto the right direction. And I see the biggest challenge for a lot of people, a lot of entrepreneurs out there, is that they keep jumping from one ship to another, one opportunity to another too quickly. I mean, that's the difference between you in the wrong company, wrong opportunity. You need to make change. I agree with that. But very often, a lot of people, they are in the right opportunity, with the right company, with the right system, but they just doesn't give enough time for their result to show up. So you got to find one opportunity that works for you. For me, for you, for everybody else, it's no different. Find something you can be passionate about. Find something you can be fired up when you wake up in the morning. And if you feel that way, you're excited about that particular mission, not only for the money, that's a great start for you. Second thing, I believe I was a very lucky guy. I'm still a very lucky guy as of today. Over the years, I surrounded myself with the right people, who are willing to give me the right advice. I think having the right mentor or mentors are so critical to your success in business and life. And I was very lucky on that. I was very lucky in a lot of things. I'm not going to lie to you. But the key ingredient, the key thing I want to share with you is, I did not wait for my luck to come my way. The difference between successful people and the people who are not very successful yet is, successful people, they work hard very consistently and diligently on a daily basis. And when luck comes their way, they're ready for it. And that was me. Over the years, at the beginning, I wasn't that lucky. Trust me, I paid my price. I paid my dues. I didn't see a lot of growth, you know what I'm saying? And I was frustrated, and I was keep thinking to myself, is this the right industry? Am I doing the right things? And all this frustration, start to escalate to a point where I said, man, maybe this is not the right thing for me. But I hung in there. I was keep working on my game and learning the knowledge, keep doing the basic fundamentals, working ethics always there. Then one day when my luck actually came, I was fully able to maximize my luck. And from that point forward, my cash flow, my company, my people, my leaders, everything else exploded in a quantum speed way because I was ready for my luck. When it came my way, I took off. So that's what you got to do. You got to work very hard until that day comes. I believe every dog has its day. So don't wait for luck to come in. Work very hard. And when luck comes your way, the question is that, are you ready to maximize that? Last thing, sure not least, something very, very critical, very important for me. I made a lot of adjustments in my last 20 years career, and making adjustments, making changes, not easy at all. Not easy at all. Not gonna talk to you about what was easy for me. Definitely wasn't easy. I had to make a lot of changes, adjustment on my ego, personal ego, my habits, my philosophies, my strategies, how I build a company, my selling skill, my recruiting presentation, my building leaders type of skills. I made all the changes. And that's why I can honestly tell you that's what made me successful today. It's because all those changes and adjustments I made. So you got to make adjustment. If you want to get to this level, you got to make small changes. You want to get to this level, you got to make bigger changes and big adjustment. You want to get to the magnificent level, you got to make everything changed. That's what you got to do. All right? And I hope those 3 things I share with you can help you to elevate to your career to that next level. At the end, I feel that people who are successful, it's not because they are born to be successful. That's certainly not my case. It's because they did something different. They paid the price. They surrounded themselves with the right people. And obviously, those 3 things I just went over with you, that's truly something that made me successful today in what I do. So I hope that what I share with you today can be some guidelines for you as you're growing your business out there. Until next time, guys, I want to wish you guys have a great day and see you at the next Success Edge episode. Thank you very much.